Hi all, today's our topic is how to fetch unique value from a variable. So this scenario we can achieve by using two ways. First way is using SQL, using SQL. So opening SQL. So here we need to first declare a variable table. First we need to declare a table. So declare input string as table. So here this is the command for declaring a table, and in this table only one column I am taking now. The column name is input data. So here the data type is int. So now we declare a variable table. So now we are going to insert the data into the table by using command insert into table name. Input string is the table name here. Input string values parenthesis 1 2 3 and 1 4 3. So these values I am passing to the table. Okay, so now select star from table name input string. So first of all I am executing these commands. So these commands are just created and just insert the records into the table. Here you can see 6 rows affected, in the sense 6 values are inserted in the table. Now I am fetching the data from the table. So you can see the error, because for this declaring table we are not allowed to just select statement, it get an error. So for that we need to debug the all commands. So execute. So now we can see the output. Input data is a column. In that we can see 1 2 3 1 4 3. So this is the output of the fetching command. So here we can see the duplicate records also. You can see 1 3 is the duplicate records. And now select distinct column name from table. Distinct is the one of the function in SQL to allow only unique, in the sense to remove the duplicates. You can compare the values. So from top 1 2 3 1 4 3, in the first output we can see the duplicates records also we see, whereas in the second output we are unable to see the duplicates, in the sense only unique values are present. So distinct function is very important function. So then second one is by using ADF, Azure Data Factory. So for this we need to go for author and need pipeline. We have to select a new pipeline and need to create a name. Here PL is the universal name for pipelines. So PL fetching unique values from variable. So first of all, to do that scenario, we need to create two variables in this pipeline first. So that variable we can create here. As at the parameter, the variable you can see, right? In that we can create the two variables. First add plus. Here you can see the column. Here we need to select array data type, because that value is not a 1, so it's a multiple values. So we are creating array. So variable name is input data. Here we are passing the default value. So as in SQL, what values you are passed? 1 2 3 1 4 3. As same, we are following the same values we are passing in ADF default value also. 1 2 3 and 1 4 3. Here the default value you are separating colon and comma, separating the value, because it is an array type. So then we are creating one more variable, that is this data type is also a array, because the output also whatever we get, that is a array type also. So our variable name is output data. So here we are not pass any default value. In pipeline we will assign the output value here. So then go to the pipeline. So here you can drag the set variable. So set variable, in first general we have to maintain the name of the set variable. I am maintaining display input data values. Here I am selecting the name here. Then the next one is settings tab. In the settings tab we are here, name is there. When you drop down here, the column see the output. The output data variable I am selecting. For that add dynamic content, we are giving the input data in the sense. So whatever the variable you are giving input data, right? So that you are applying to the output data variable in the sense. So we are debugging now. You can see that. So what variables we are passing in the input 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3. So the same output we are getting here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3. See, output data 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3. Here you can see, you can observe like here duplicates are there. 1, 3. Duplicates are there. So please remember it. Duplicates are there in this. So to avoid the duplicates, so we are using one more set variable in this pipeline. So for this successful, we are connecting to the next set variable. So in this, we have to change this name, like we are removing this set variable 1 and we are renaming like display or fetch unique values. Yeah. Then next tab, settings. So here you can select output data variable, and here we can pass add dynamic content as a value. Here we can remember one thing. In ADF we are using union function to remove duplicates. Here they are asking two parameters. In first parameter we are passing input data. In second also we are passing the same input data. Here union input data. So when you see that it's a debug, we will debug now. You can see the output. So in ADF, its main gunshot point, for remove duplicates we have to use union function in ADF. This is the main thing we have to use. And see the output of output data 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3. Here duplicates are there. When we see the display of output unique records 1, 2, 3, 4. Here duplicates are missing. Only unique records only fetch by using of union function.